Quiero dormir.
What?
Quiero dormir.
It's, I got some cafecina.
Mames. Alright. Oh man, let me get this all together. I think we're good to go. I got this book map set up. I'm trying to start to use it, but I don't know how to use it, so I don't think we're gonna go with it today. Okay, that's good. Let's see. 90, 13. Okay. 6. Let's bring that down to 8. Okay. I think I'm ready to take trades now. Chinese book map, but I don't think I set it up right. It's not showing me the orders at the bottom and the top. All right, let's see what we got here. We're locked in now. So, yep, bro needs more coffee. I'm doing stuff right now. I'm not really, I wasn't focused on the chat. Damn, I kind of did those, like those longs down there. So, ideally, what I'd like to see, guys, is a break. Let me delete that. A break above this 20 with the nice close on either the 5 or the 15, depending. And then a pull back into like 800-ish. That's the scenario I'm looking for. That 770 happened way too fast. But this is a good sign. Thanks, Brian. This is a good sign though, based on the reaction off the open, that we will have some volume today. Let me check something. Okay, I'm gonna close this book map. I don't have it set up right. What the heck? I was watching 770 because it was the top of that this zone that I had here. We kind of already took it off from it though. So if we come back down and retest, I don't think we'll be as strong. 6, 3, 7. Okay, let's see. Achievement calculator. Sorry guys, I'm just checking some stuff on my back end from my accounts. Let's make sure all my days registered. Okay. Look like we're good. Let's see what we got going on now. Oh, we're really pumping. Okay, let's do some technicals. No, I've been trading the same accounts for both sessions. Yeah, I do. I only traded an eval this morning. I made money yesterday at like 7 p.m. Eastern in Asia. I caught those shorts. Honestly, all the firms have caps on payouts. The one with the highest cap is that I've seen is Alpha Futures at advanced accounts. They're 15,000. You get 10% off too with my code. Just code Gene. That's the only one though. Like Top Step is 5K. Um, Tradeify on the select accounts is 1,000 a day for daily payouts. And then the growth accounts, they're tiered. So as you keep going up, yeah, Alpha Futures, just like that. The advanced accounts are good. They're a lot like Top Step. They allow no, it's 15K per payout per account. You could have up to 3 accounts. So theoretically, you could pull out 45K max each payout. I just go with their zero accounts. Their 1 day pass. That's what I like about them. The advanced account too has no consistency. No, you could request them every 5 days. MUUG. Where is there we go. There we go. Can you guys No, Top Step would be 25 max before profit split. Let's see. Okay, I don't have fibs until up here. Like I said, if we could break above this 820 and hold, I'd like to see that on the 15-minute. Then a pullback into like 800 to 88. Can you guys hear me okay? Chats? Yes. Okay, nice. Just want to make sure. Okay, hold on. No, mess wrong. Seeking advance, which paths go standard or consistency path, which path 3 goes. Oh, for Top Step? I think both are good. They both have their advantages. Of course, with the consistency, you get paid out faster, but honestly, standard shouldn't be too big of a problem for you if you're trading with me. My day's going good. Thanks for asking. I have a lightning fund at 150K. They capped it out. Yeah, they capped them. It's good, bro. Anywhere. I mean, I sometimes I pass them one day. Sometimes it takes me, multiple days. I think next week we're gonna do an eval challenge together, guys. I'll try and get funded. I don't know what firm I'm gonna be using. Probably Tradeify. Yeah, 3 to 5 MNQ. I've been trading on my funded accounts. I've been trading a max of 8 MNQs, and I've been doing very well. This time frame is a 5-minute. I'm not sure, bro. I've been thinking about a BMW. I'm getting my truck first, though. Yeah, you can. I don't typically do CPI passes on Fridays or like the full porting. I don't know. I could pass CVALs, so I don't really need to. We are close to the 800, but we didn't close above that 820 like I mentioned. I really wish I would have got that entry at 770. We would have got like 45 points. It happened too fast though. I was a little too distracted, and it was very close within like the first 5 minutes or so. Potentially gonna watch how we react to this 85 area. see. Been trading for 4 years. Missed the call over here, didn't catch you. Potential plan would be a close above these 820s for a pullback. That's what I was thinking initially, but I want to see how we react down to this 8.5. If we can wick into this 8.5, wick back above VWAP, I might take a potential long. We'll see how we react. What's the name of the prop image? Alpha futures. When you mark your levels out, depends. My strategy is based on ELP, ALP. The reason why you can't hear anything is probably because of your it's probably because of your sound settings. Everybody else can hear me fine. Yeah, I know. Working on that. Working on the thumbnail. Okay, we kind of didn't close at the best. And we didn't close above 800. I would love for a pullback to like 85 to 90-ish. With a nice reaction. We'll see. ALP. ALP is EMA's levels and price action. That's what it stands for. It's basically a strategy that I formulated on my own based off of different stuff I've learned from, Jadon and Brandon. Yeah. You could put it under the DoD system. It involves a lot of patience. That's for sure. I can put the volume on the chart. Let's see. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. Let me see. There you go. There you go. Is that okay? I'm watching still. I'm not in anything as. Yeah, I use Orb, but not for Asia. I don't use Orb. Come on, give us this 86 area. No, Jenna is not trading with me right now. Don't like that 15-minute close too much. How's a 30-minute looking? Okay. I'm gonna turn the heater on. I'll be right back. Hello, Mr. Dean. Hello, India. Hello. Oh, we're at that level. Let's see how we react right here, guys. Waiting for the reaction. Not in anything yet. Alright, I'm gonna try some NQ longs right here, guys. That filled at 94. Let's see. Stop's probably below 80. Long on NQ. Fills. There we go. See if we get a trend move up. Did like that reaction off there. Not in this too heavy, guys. I'm in this pretty light. First trade of the week. Depending on the way that we're forming, I would like to probably stop out below 80, but I'm going to see how we react if we get down to 780 first. My target on this will probably be high of day at like 915. 915, 920. See if we could get it. That'll make it a what? 20, 25. It's not bad. We just need to wake up out of this. What time is it? 6:21. I'm not trading this heavy either, guys. I'm only in a couple micros. My mic is on. Should be able to hear. No, I said long. What the? You guys don't pay attention. I literally said I was in longs.
I heard it. I heard you take the longs.
Jeez, who is texting me? Blowing me up. I don't show it because people like to see my Thinkorswim charts where I have drawings. I like it slow. Think through my trades. That's why I like it. Near break even. I'm trading 2 sets of accounts. I'm on break even on one of them. The other one I'm down like a point and a half still. We need to get back above VWAP. It's like this 94, 794. I like the zero. I trade the zeros. I wonder if they approved my thing yet. Let's see. Nope. I haven't withdrawed it from my account yet. Thanks for telling them. My entry price was 791 and 794. Up a couple points. Nothing too major. Need a hold above this VWAP here. Okay, that's a good sign. We had a 5-minute close above. Depends. I mean, it all really depends on reaction. I would say maybe 6 out of 10 times I'll add to my trades. Yeah, I'm still in longs. My first target is high of day at 8:15. Down 1 point on one account and 4 points on the other. I like that during power hour we had a strong bounce off my lower level here, this level we were holding, and then I'm just trying to get a continuance to push up past this 820. I mostly trade prop firms. I just requested another payout from Alpha. I just got one on Friday, and I just requested another one today. Entry on one account, on one set of accounts was 91. The other ones was 94. The accounts I'm trading today is FFF accounts and Alpha Futures accounts. Those are the two I'm working on. All of them are funded. I have 3 with Alpha, 4 with FFF that I'm trading right now. Go. Struggling to get past this 90, 96, 97 area. See 98. Come on, push up for us. Trying high all day. Futures funded, or what is it? Funded futures family. No, I work too. I work for Team Bull. I'm up like 4 points on one account, 2 points on the other. Wow, we're up a lot of points. Sick. Yeah, I like Tradeify. I've really been trying to focus only on my alphas. But I'm thinking next week at the start of the month I'm gonna try some of those select accounts. What do you say? I'll let you know when I get out. Yeah. Tradeify they're actually a really good firm. They're the fastest firm I've ever got paid out from. The fastest payout was 25 minutes. It was my first payout with them. There it goes, guys. Starting to push up now. Come on. Give it to us. Come on. Push. You guys want? You guys could trade my mean we're up like 10 to 15 points depending on your entry, but yeah, I'm still holding. Gonna hold to the high. See if we get a push up. first TP is going to be at 815 for around 20 to 25 points, depending on your entry. Yeah, I'll let you guys know. I said I have hard limits set at 815 for half my position on some of my accounts, and then full position on these other ones because I don't need to make a lot of money on them. Yeah, it's decent when this team had legit killers. What do you mean? Our team's been the same pretty much the whole time. We're getting up to the area, guys. Push, come on. We just need one final push to 820. Second TP will be after 20, maybe even like that 54. Come on, it's almost there. Dude, go. So close. So close to hitting my TP. Oh, it hit. I have it a little bit above because I need to make the 200. Come on. We are up like 20 points here, though, guys. You guys could feel free to take a trim if you guys would like to. Come on, dude. There we go. All right, guys. You guys could take a trim if you guys would like. All right, guys. I'm gonna get out 405 on 2 funded accounts and then 220 on these other two. I'm out. 30-point trade. What was all that? What was all that mess you were talking about? Experience? What was all that mess? Oh, mama's way. 30-point trade to begin the week. All right, now I'm gonna sit back, chill out, wait. Now that it's secured on those FFF accounts, shut on the orders running. Okay. That was nice, guys. There you go, guys. If you took that light, even with just 5 micros, you would have made like $300. So, I mean, it's good money. Now we're going to chill and wait. Do not call me Gina. Don't call me that. What do you look for in a trade? Can you explain your entry? All right. So, for those of you on Discord that have access to my screen share. So we opened. Here, I'll go to the 5-minute and the 1-minute so you guys can see this. Honestly, I could see a continuation happening, but all right. This is the opening candle. We push up. We couldn't get hold above the 800. We pulled back to my previous demand area of 770, pushed up really, really high off of it. Okay, that's when we closed this. We rejected 815, and I was looking for a pullback to this 8 EMA, the prior day close, the opening level of the session, as well as a 50% retracement of the session. And we first, if you go to the 1-minute, we first touched this level and we had a good reaction off of it. I think we got long at somewhere right here. I think it was this candle. I didn't get the best fill. Anyways, we were holding this prior day close very well, the purple line. It's a script. We were holding it. That's why I was holding the trade. And then we just started pushing up from there. Does that make sense? Discord? Don't call me Genpei. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit about my strategy, guys. Like I said, I trade ELP, ELP, EMAs, price action or levels, which, we use the prior day close and the opening level, as well as the fib retracement and price action. What were we doing? We had a rejection off this. We had a big push. You want to get a lower high here, or would it be a higher low here, and a push up off that? That's as simple as it is. Also, you guys got to understand, it does come with experience too. Like, this is not just something, this happens, and you just take it. It also factors in experience too. I've seen this type of trade happen many of times. It's pretty much the trade, even the trade that I took last night. Let's go over it, Discord. Okay, hold on. Let me switch to my 15-minute. I think it was the 15-minute that I took it on. All right. My EMAs are a little distorted right now, so let me see. Okay, it was on the 5-minute. So last night, I seen we hit my upper supply area. This was opening candle. We pushed back up, tested it, pushed down. We came back, tested the EMAs on the 5-minute, the 8 EMA. I decided to go short. I got filled at like 875. Took it to the bottom just right here for around 40 points. Simple as that. Same thing happened today that happened yesterday, just in a different direction. And if we build above this 820, I could see it's going a lot higher. Where's Mazzy? Mazzy Financials, where you at, bro? I used the 8 EMA and then the 21 EMA. I wanted to say thank you to help me pass an eval. Hell yeah, bro. Let's go. What point stop did you use? I use so my stop losses aren't hard set. If you have been trading with me for a while, you'll know that my stops aren't hard set. I usually have a range anywhere from 15 to 25% or 25 points. I think my max stop loss I've ever had streaming is 40 points, but I was only in with like 2 or 3 micros. What's the lowest? What do you mean? My biggest thing, guys, so this month I've really had to make the transition a size down. If you guys know, I was trading like 1 to 2 minis. I sized down a lot. I've only been trading, max of 8 micros, like I mentioned. On evals, I've been trading a max of, maybe 20 micros. Max. There shouldn't be. What type of lag? I don't make YouTube videos, but I need to, Michaela. I do, if you guys have seen, I do recaps sometimes on my Instagram. Just little short reels. DINERO _ trades is my Instagram if you guys want to follow me and see those videos or just updates on how my trading is going. I just secured that other payout today from Alpha Futures from one of my accounts. Wow, that was a weird misprint. You guys seen that on MNQ H6? We had a misprint down to 803 and then push up. That was weird. Yeah, I tried to, and I mean, if you guys have questions, you guys can always DM me. I don't always answer immediately, but I try to get to them. Come on, Frank. Yeah, you guys could DM me too, DINERO _ trades, if you guys have questions about prop firms or just my streaming or really, anything that you guys want to ask me. If you guys want to ask me what, type of things I did to help me become more consistent or more disciplined, if you guys need some life advice. I mean, I'm still young, so I don't really have too much life advice, but I feel like I do at the same time, especially if you're my age. If you're around my age, you guys need some advice, you guys let me know. I'm only 23. I turned 24 in November. So it depends if I catch, a 50-point trade, in Asia, then I won't take anything else. But we caught 30 points today. I think I'm up for another one if you guys are. Maybe catch another 25. I don't see anything right now though. That was my only setup. Only thing I possibly see is if we hold above this 820, maybe a pullback into 800 or so. That original one we were looking for. If not, probably a reject at this 854 or this 897, which is a bit of the ways away. I like this 897 better. How do I watch your Discord? Yeah, that my Discord stream is a part of Join It Team Bull. You get full screen share of what my old chart looks like. What's your mindset on passing evals? So it depends. I have two different mindsets when I'm going into. It depends on the intention with the eval. If I'm just trying to pass it quick and I don't care about losing it, if it was a cheap eval, or I don't know, sometimes I just want to pass quick, then I'll trade it aggressive and I'll go heavier. Still look for pretty good trades, but I'm scalping back and forth. If I start usually, especially if it's a daily loss limit, I'll start with like 15 micros, 10 micros, try and make like 500 to 750, build a buffer, and then add on to that, and try and grow the account up to pass. And if not, if I'm going the slower route, I just take base hits like we did today. I mean, I just traded. I typically would trade a little bit heavier. So, for example, I made like 400 on one of my funded accounts. I'd probably trade double the size. So I would have made like 800, which I only trade 50K. So if you make $800 on a 50K the first day, you're pretty good already. Base hits basically mean that you are, taking good trades and not going for huge amounts. I mean, that was a 30-point trade. I'm not looking to make 150 points, especially during Asia. What I like to do and why I started trading Asia, I wasn't even streaming yet when I started trading Asia. But my why I started trading it is because I wanted to build a buffer and I was good at it and my strategy worked better and it was slower than trading New York. I wanted to build that buffer so when I do go into New York, I have more to work with. I can sacrifice, the $400 that I make in profits and, maybe a little bit more that'll end up making me red on the day. But usually if I make that 400 in the day, if I make another $300, I'm up $700 in the day. That's pretty good for me. I track to my win rate actually on this alpha account that I've been working on, this funded account for the last like 3 weeks, going on 4. And my win rate this month is like 80%, which is really good. Not saying that it's going to be like that forever, but yeah. Yeah, I copy trade my props. So I have 4 that I just traded with Funded Futures family, and then I have 3 with Alpha Futures that I'm trading, which 3 is the max you can get with Alpha. I didn't take it on that account that I just requested a payout from, though, because I don't want to risk blowing it or getting under the consistency. I don't trade the 2 bar. I need to study it more. Aloe is hitting you first time. Yeah, I mean, honestly, we've had people that have came to the office and I'll trade their evals for them and I'll pass them. I don't think I've ever failed somebody's eval for them. No, I'm gonna look for one more. No, that win rate counts for New York and Asia. Mostly Asia though. So I don't leave a buffer, and I take whatever I could take max. I do have buffers in these accounts. One of them. So I'll run through these accounts real quick. One of my accounts is at 62.71 in profit. That's what I just requested from. The other one I requested a payout on Friday, and it already got deducted. It's at 3,200. And then this next one, I have been a little stagnant with it. I'm down 600 on the account overall. I was down 1,000. I just made 400 back. And then with my FFFs, let's see. The FFFs are fat. Let's see what these accounts are at. No, I don't ever trade London session. It's like it's like 1 a.m. for me. So no, I am sleeping. So one of the accounts with FFF 5,900. The other one's 6,200. The third one is at 49.45. And then the last one's at 5,000. So I mean, they're up pretty fat. How many accounts do you think? Honestly, you can generate 10K a month with 3 accounts. Maybe 5. Let's call it 5. So that you have 5 Tradeify accounts. All you need to do is get a 2K payout on each account to make 10K. It sounds simple. I just used the Tradeivate group trader. For someone still unprofitable with prop firms, do you feel like starting a small account on Tradeivate? It depends. How are you treating your prop firms? Answer me that. You can't stop from getting banned for payouts. My hope, so one of my goals is this year, guys, is to go live with all the firms that I use. And the way I'm going to do that is taking base hits like I just did today. Not getting greedy. I haven't been touching gold. How many micros should I be trading? Is it a funded account or an eval? And what firm? If you don't, leave a buffer by withdrawing everything. It depends, Bucky. It depends on how you're trading them. No, I don't. Once they're funded, you don't pay any fees. But Bucky, back to what you were saying. So if I have an account and say it's an Alpha Futures account, an advanced account, and I can withdraw half of the balance, and I have 5,000 in there. Well, I'm gonna take the 2,500. I'm not gonna leave the other 2,500 just to have a buffer. Even if one of my friends just we were just talking about this. He was able to get a payout of like I can't remember. It was less than $1,000. But anyways, I told him, bro, take the max amount of payout you can, because it's not guaranteed that you're gonna make that money back and scale the account even more. That's why I always take the max amount. So I've been live with FFF before. I didn't really like their rules too much, and also I didn't take their account that serious. I mean, it could be good, it could be bad. I think more of going live, it just shows your skills. You're a risk to the prop firms. That's what it is. It means, you have the opportunity and the potential to do great things when it comes to trading. And yeah, I mean, I like the idea of daily payouts with going live. I would suggest if you're emotional on this fund, you should. Yeah, I agree. So let's talk about it. Why do you think you're just so aggressive with it? And what firm are you using? That's a big part of it. What firm are you using? I don't know. I don't know what their live program looks like. I don't trade with Apex. Over the good. Lifetime. Is a lifetime $65 still? How would you trade a 5K live account? I would trade it by only using I do the lifetime fee. How would you trade a 5K live account, or would you? I would, and let me tell you this: I would only be using 5 micros. If you've never traded live before, maybe even 2. I don't like how this 15-minute closed, guys. We couldn't get above that 820. Or else I would Potentially be looking for another long. I'm gonna wait. Starting off on the forced. Nice. Does anyone know how much P? I think it's like $75, Bucky. If I do take another trade, I'm not gonna take them on my FFFs. I made the $200 day. I need 4 more days of 200 for a 7K payout. See if they don't push me live after that. They might. I'm using Alpha Futures. That's my main firm that I've been using this last month. I'm gonna watch for a pullback to like 80, 86 maybe. See how we react. See where the fib of our session is now. We're at it. I'm being patient. An account with Alpha Futures, I think it starts at like $80 with code Gene. GENE. That's what I use. I use the Zero accounts. I paid $80 for them. And the reset is like 65 or something like that. Yeah, I copy trade. What's up, dude? Oh, how long have we been on? Almost an hour. Got the Team Blue shirt on. All right, I'm watching for a potential long here. Damn it, I think we missed it. See how this 1 minute closes? 20 seconds on it left. I don't care about consistency. When you're consistent and you're not going for big trades and things like that, you don't care about consistency. I didn't take that short. I'm waiting. I want to see another long, and I think it's gonna go without us. Just trying to be patient. I wanted that entry at 9.5, and I wanted to wait for that 1 minute close. See if we could pull back to like. See if we get the entry for long. Nope, I'm not in anything yet. I do not trade SMTs. I don't even know what SMT is. I'm waiting for potential pullback. I want to see it. If we can get back down to my area. What time is it? 54. We're about to close this hour soon. I think it might go without me. You guys should be able to hear me. Yeah, I'll let you know when I get in something. Send an email. What's everybody doing? How's everybody doing today? All right, guys. I like the way that 5 minute closed. All right, guys. I might try longs again. Didn't get the best fill. Trying longs again though. See if we get a push up. See if we can hold above 800. Get another run up for another 20 points. If we do get this run up for another 20 to 25 points, I probably will be done for the day. My stop will probably be below this 90-ish area, depending on how we're looking. Yeah, I play Madden. Yeah, I'm in longs again. Should have waited, man. I need a pee. No, he's not live right now. Yeah, probably sub 90s. I don't know. We'll see how we react. We might get a deeper pullback, which could be a potential add. Mm-hmm. Okay, we got 2 minutes left until the hour closes. How did that 30-minute close? That first 30-minute close pretty high. 15 closed here. Yeah, I didn't get a good feel. My average was like 804. I will let you guys know if I stop out. I didn't stop out. I don't have a hard stop right there. I'm waiting to see how we open this next hour. If we get a reaction off this, I might add. Are starting to get about 15 seconds left in this candle. See how we can move it. There's the next hour. I didn't have a hard stop right there. Am I gonna stop that right here? Like that reaction. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Now push. That's why I don't have hard stops. If I would have had that hard stop at 90, I would have got wicked out. I didn't like it enough though to add. Let's see. Let's see if we can hold above this 800. Around like 25 to 30. Yeah, I'm with him right now. Jidun's in the other room. Come on. Push. Let's check this hour. Back at break even. I do like that reaction that we got out of that area. Just not sure if we're gonna follow through now. We needed to push. Wrong way. Wrong way.
Hello, Mr. Gene.
Hello.
Why? We're using DFD.
Yeah. You having trouble there?
Yeah, I'm kind of slow.
Back down like 7 points or so. How much were we up? Come on. No mames. Come on.
You gonna trade again?
Yeah. And longs.
A second trade of Asia.
First one was 30
I
points.
know, I heard you win.
Yep.
Sure, you seen some guy talking shit about you. So I came and said, that's why BAU.
They said I need the bull mask.
You need it?
I think so.
You need the bull mask. I'll get it for you.
Do. Got a minute and 15 left on this 5 minute.
I mean, my rabbit food.
That really is rabbit food.
Kind of rabbit food. Salmon's not rabbit food, but my spinach is.
Bro's literally been carrying around little bowls everywhere.
From eating nonstop, I'm getting huge. Signal, Gene.
Very, very bad.
How much are you down?
$16 on the day. I'm not down, I'm up. I made the day on those FFFs. Look. 218.
Damn.
4 days left.
I'm just eating nonstop, bro. Getting huge.
We're just wigging back and forth. Yup, Jadon's always eating.
Mm-hmm.
I am in a long still. Zigzagging back and forth on break even. Don't like that.
What a
Banana.
What again? I love me a nice banana.
I had a banana this morning.
You?
Yeah.
I eat like 2 a day. I got hella potassium. You just watch here and sit here and watch paint dry?
Yep. It's my style, dude.
Crazy.
Nice. Paydun is in the house.
I actually am. I got my coffee.
Huh?
I got my coffee. I actually am.
Why'd you get coffee?
I'm tired, bro.
It's 5 p.m., dude.
I'm tired.
Look, I'm looking at my watch. It's not on my wrist.
They'd be mad at me not choosing DOD.
Is coffee DOD?
Can be. I usually don't drink past 4 though.
I don't either, especially the stuff I drink. There's a full bag of espresso at your house too.
Sure.
I took it there. I need to order another mocha pot. There's some other fun.
What's up, Gene?
Price action is something else.
Gene don't think me eating my banana is funny.
It's not. What kind of color should I order?
On the stream?
Yeah.
What up, everybody?
Don't choke on your banana, dude. It's not looking too good. We're down 10 points. Sus done. Yeah, do a big pause.
Don't crack me up. Check. Damn, that was freaking good.
Was it?
Yeah, super good. I'm getting,
You just
getting
saying
getting
that?
some thickness on too. Look at that.
You are. You're red too.
I know. Got the blood flow. Killing. Killing.
Might have to potentially stop out of this, guys. Literally, what the heck is going on? This market is making no sense. What the hell is going on? This is so weird. Oh, look who decided to join us.
What's up?
What up, Jen?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you know you don't have to request.
Oh, I don't?
No, like you can just join.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Obviously, I didn't know that.
I'll show you
What's
how.
up, mate?
I'll show you how to do it when I see you again. I'm just chilling. We're in longs and in queue.
Oh, in longs.
We were down, we were just down like 20 points or so. Now we're down 7 points. We just keep wicking back and forth. It's not looking too good though. First trade though was 30 points, so we should already be green.
Oh, nice. You already took one and won.
Yeah. Now I'm shopping for a new coffee pot.
A new what?
Coffee pot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool. For what? Like just a regular one?
No, a mocha pot for Jacob's house because I'm tired of bringing mine back and forth. So I need one to just leave it.
Mocha pot.
Yeah. So I just need one to leave at his house.
Heard of that before.
It's for espresso.
Oh,
Yup.
he needs a Breville. Get him a Breville.
What's that?
That's what I. It's like a espresso machine. You just put the beans in. It has a built-in grinder. So you just grind your beans into the little thing, and then you just rip your espresso shot. You can froth milk if you want.
That's dope. Should I order a black one or a red one?
Black for sure.
I already have a black one.
Neutrals are always better.
Black or white?
White.
All right.
If you already have a black, then you can.
Jeez, what size do I even get? I already have. Says 3 cup, 6 cup, 9 cup, 12 cup. I don't know.
I just woke up from like a 2-hour nap.
I'm gonna wait. Huh?
I said I just woke up from like a 2-hour nap.
Taking naps, that is not DOD.
I never nap. Literally, even if I'm like slept 0, it's because I'm sick. I'm like, my kids gave me some sort of like, my throat's been killing me all day.
We have an espresso machine too, but I don't really like it too much.
No, and espressos are trash. So are what's that called?
Keurig.
Say Kruger.
Keurig. Keurig.
Ew, trash. Like, let me just pump my coffee through a freaking
Plastic.
Plastic thing with steaming hot water. Like, let me just drink plastic, basically. Makes no sense.
You're hilarious.
So dumb.
They said I'm fired for being negative 12 points since 4:55. It's like 20 minutes. Yeah. At first, we cut those longs from like 971 to 820. Yeah. And they're trying to fire me because I'm down 12 points.
Come on, guys. Give me a break.
Yeah, I'll be live on his account. Monday through Thursday, same time every day. As long as I can figure out how to work it though, because I'm not very good at working all this technology. It's new to me.
I use I use these. I order special beans that are like tested for mold and stuff. I'm weird.
I use espresso grounds.
Yeah, these are espresso beans too, but the brand is like
I don't even know what the brand of mine is. It's Italian. Mm-hmm. Hope we close that first 15 minutes. Our high of this 30-minute is 8:11. Jen,
Yeah, what's up?
what'd you do today?
I traded and then I took my kids to school and then I went to my in-laws' house and I sat with my mother-in-law for a little while
Nice.
so that my father-in-law could do their taxes because she can't be by herself right now.
Yeah.
So I just sat with her and chatted with her a little bit. And then I came home and complained to my husband about my throat was hurting. And then I took a nap. Got my kids from school and took a nap.
That's funny.
Good times, you know.
Come on, Angel. Asian market will really teach you patience, guys.
All the patience.
All the patience in the world. Come on, explode. Please go.
Explode, explode.
Yeah, I was trying to put the office all back together today. Guys,
Overall.
yeah.
Why?
Because they did a podcast here and nobody cleaned their mess up.
Oh, drink up.
It's alright. I didn't have nothing
Your
else to
lungs are
do.
going.
I didn't have no
What was your
meetings.
entry at?
04. It wasn't that good. Honestly, I would need at least 20 points because that's just for a 101. I honestly did get an early entry. I should have waited a little bit longer. I really should have waited until that next hour candle opened. It's not bad. I'm up like 540 as of right here. This price
Nice.
on the day. I'm up 140 on this trade.
I was gonna say, what sizing are you in if you're
Yeah,
up
no.
40 on that?
Well, I made like 400 something off that first trade. Um, I just requested another payout too with Alpha,
Oh, sick.
and I got one on Friday too. So nice.
Proud of you.
Nice. Thank you. I've literally been sized down like literally this whole month, and that's what's made me be more consistent and just not big swings in P&L.
Okay.
Because before, you remember, I was trading like 1 to 2 minis.
Yeah, I know.
I was losing a lot more too. I was hitting my daily loss limit very often. I think I've only hit it like twice this month.
What's gold doing?
What is gold doing? It is trying to bump. Jeez, is gold having another run up? Yeah. Oh, we're up like 10 points, guys. You guys can always de-risk or just close the trade if you guys don't want any more drawdown or set your stop loss to break even. Either do you choose.
Yeah, gold's been pushing again, for sure. Okay, well, I just hopped on to say hi. I'm really not feeling good, so I'm gonna chill.
No, don't leave me.
My throat hurts so bad, dude.
I'm just playing. Okay, Jen. Have a good night.
I just wanted to pop on and say hi because I know I usually come on Mondays.
Yep. Well, I hope you feel better. Drink some
I
tea.
I wasn't getting on, but I was literally passed out so hard.
That's fine.
I couldn't.
You can hear me, right?
I'll talk to you later.
Oh, all right. Get better.
Bye.
Bye. It's another day in the office. I'm gonna take half of my position off at 20 at half day, so like 24, whatever. Put a limit order there, and then I'll hold the rest. I'm really slowing down. I don't think we want to go. Yeah, how is the short going? Especially if you guys entered at like what? What's this down here? You guys entered the short at like 88. How's it going? You guys aren't trading it heavy, right? Please tell me. It counts for tomorrow. So from 4 or 6 p.m. Eastern until what 5 the next day. That's trading day. Well, now it's pushing against us. This is annoying. This is annoying, guys. Wow. See how we racked right here? Mm-hmm. No. See what happens. Price is back at 90. MGC. Nice. I mean, I'm down like 14 points. I mean, I was already down that before. Doo-doo-doo. Well, let's see. So back and forth. So annoying. What time is it? 5:24. Got like what? 35 minutes left. 35 minutes. I'll let you know when I gotta stop. I mean, I wouldn't really even say cooked. You act like I'm down 50 points. Mm-hmm. And I really have to use the bathroom. We've been in this chair for 30 minutes. It's freaking cold up in here. Probably not. Honestly. And if you do, you can to bring your average down. Is it snowing where anybody lives? I feel like we haven't had snow here in Colorado in weeks. Have a good night. What do you mean, miss the calls? Mm-hmm. In Poland. You're in Poland. It's interesting. I want to visit Poland. Trade's not really looking too good. Oh. Alright, I'm out. I swear, if it stops us out, it wicks back up. I'm in Denver. I live in South Denver. Do you live in Colorado? Dude, I swear, if it wicks us out and then goes, I'm gonna be pissed. 2, 4, 7, 20. Yeah, I want to go there. I've never been to Europe. Yeah, I'm a sixth generation in Colorado. My grandparents moved to Denver in 1935 from southern Colorado, and they've been in the state of Colorado since the 1860s. Yep, I've been stopped. Honestly, I don't know. Look like we want to push back up off here. That'd be awesome. Aurora. Did you go to high school in Aurora? That's nice. What part of Florida are you in, champ? Nice. Yeah, I went to John F. Kennedy High School. I do not know where Alcala is. I'll be in Florida I'll be in Florida on Friday. I'll be in Cape Coral. Cape Coral. I'm just going out there. So I get there, I believe, noon on Friday, and then we're gonna pack my friend's stuff up and then hit the road, and we're coming back to Colorado. I'm moving him back. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I honestly, I don't mind it. Not every trade works, you know? It's just the rules of the game. Asia low is 67, so I mean, possibly. I don't know. So I don't really like shorts just because we do have this area still that we bounced off of today. So if we go to the hour, this zone is where we bounced more. I mean, you could say that. Yeah, we'd run. I feel like we'd run into some orders here at 755, and then at 692. Pretty much break even though for today, at least. Let's switch to eval and cent. I don't use a 50. Huh. I have to look at it. Yeah, I'm honestly just hoping I don't run into any storms along the way. I'm going through the south, so hopefully not. I'll be going through Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, um, Texas, New Mexico, up to Colorado. Yeah, I have to look at it. Is anybody in Colorado from, or is anybody in chat from Colorado, or live here in Colorado? Littleton, nice. Yeah, I live near Littleton. I live near the like Lakewood, Littleton, Sheridan, where they all meet up. You guys aren't far from me at all. Nice, Indiana. Is anybody in Mexico? Oh, you're really close to me, Richie. Really, really close. Littleton, J Creek. You in Colorado, Michaela? Toronto, Canada. Miami. I want to take a trip out to Texas. A lot of my family lives in San Antonio. That's where my dad's side is from. So I'd be down to go out there. I haven't visited in a while. It's been a really long time. See if I can find us one more trade. It's 30 minutes closed. Pretty bearish now. Never got emails. Doesn't work for me. No, actually, I haven't been. You'd be surprised. I haven't explored a lot in Colorado at all. I barely started skiing this last season, like this season or whatever. I'm trading NQ. Damn, you're close to me. I grew up by Lincoln, if you know where that's at. All feds. Damn, you went to Excel, bro. How old are you? Do you probably know my cousins then? They went there. Hmm. If we were to go short, I don't know. Hmm. I don't think I'm taking anything else, guys. No, I'm not in anything. DOD, dude. Ten-year-old is on to something on Minecraft. Yeah, for real. I think doing something while you're trading is kind of cool. Like if you're sitting at your desk watching like sports. I have a friend. He watches UFC while he's trading. Not live, of course, but highlights. My advice is just show up every day, learn how it moves. The multiple monitors. Yeah, for real. I mean, it's always good to monitor your trades, but you don't need to watch every P&L tick up and down. It's good to take a breather, enjoy it. I was thinking about putting a TV right above my screen here, and having Madden going or something like that. Mm, no, I don't. I don't think so. What is that? EA Kayla? Oh, Escuela de Guadalupe? No, never. I cook for my elderly parents. Nice. That's awesome, man. Were you trading on your own before you met Jalen? No. Jalen is the person I started trading with. I started trading with Team Bull back in 2021. What is this market doing? 0 cents. Hmm. Let's find out we get to run them now. I was the first Discord member that he ever met in person. That's how we met, like on a personal level. It and we became amigos. Guys, this market is on some bull. We've been right there back at our entry. Greenfields. What do you mean? How much? I don't pass accounts for people. You can follow me. I don't think I've ever. Oh, I know what you're talking about. I was there a couple weeks ago. I don't know if Jen has TikTok. Yeah. Or no, I believe it opened at 5 Denver time. I don't know. Honestly, bro, it effed us both over, dude. It didn't follow through with your shorts. It didn't follow through my longs. Both on the same side right now. I don't know which way this market wants to go. Piece of me is saying long, piece of me is saying short. It's conflicting. Nice. Literally do not know what this market is up to. This market on some games. Literally, if you guys look at it, this bottom 767 and 826. That's our range. It's a 60-point range or so. And watch our longs work without us. We should see an influx of volume come in though in about 15 minutes. Yeah, we do. I honestly don't see anything worth taking We're literally just ranging. I hate trading ranges when it's, especially when it's clear. Thousand. Oh, really? The Tokyo Exchange is closed? I didn't know that they had an emperor. Damn, it is closed. Wait, no, it's already tomorrow out there, so I think it'll be open. Supposedly it's already open. No, I do not play poker. Yeah, they are a day ahead. What are you in, Uncle Jay? Damn. These honestly look like they're gonna go without us. Nice. Literally, I stopped out right at the bottom. Well, almost the bottom. Marcus be on some bowl. Kind of look like we're forming trend here. Trend channel. I caught you. Nice. Yeah, well, too bad I got out of them already. Tempo. And those lungs look like they're gonna go. Is it gonna go? So annoying. Honestly, guys, I think it might happen. Once the next hour closes. Hope we got the 5-minute close. I don't even know if it's even worth trying it again at 800. Just because. Yep. Well, I think that is it for me. I don't think I'm going to take anything else. Looks like it's wanting to go without us. Boom. Oh, that's irritating. So we ended up being right. We just, I don't know, mixed things. Kind of got in a little too early. And yeah. It pulled back to that 21 EMA on the 15. That's what really set it up to go. Oh, man. All right, guys. All right, TikTok and YouTube. I am going to call it here. I will see you guys same time tomorrow. Peace. Peace out, YouTube. Have a good evening.